people, friends, sisters and brothers. My name is Marian and I love making art with my family. During the day, my studio is pretty plain, but as soon as the sun goes down, that's when my artwork comes to life. It's temporary, transient and constantly changing. Today, we are going to look at ephemeral art, which basically means temporary. I'll be making some shadow projections here in my studio at Art Space in Woolloomooloo with my spectacular nieces.
Hi, I'm Zara.
Hi, I'm Amelia.
Hi, I'm Elliana.
Hi, I'm Marcella.
We are going to need nature, blue tack, scissors, a torch or phone light, clear transparency sheets or a clear container lid. So firstly, we are going to go out to our backyards, front yards, balconies, footpaths and collect some nature. A handful is enough.
Lay out all your collection on the bench. Look at the different shapes and sizes of leaves, twigs, grasses and even bugs. And start to create your own design on the clear transparency sheets or the container lids. We are laying our objects flat to create solid shadows. Now once you're happy with your design, use very small pieces of blue tack and fix the leaves in place. You ready for projection time?
Yes.
Alright, grab a torch or your iPhone, grab your artwork and let's find a wall. Very important for me to make cross-generational work and keep customs, kinship and language, creating art as a bank for collective memory, wisdom and knowledge, to pass on to the next bloodline. That's why sharing this special time here in my studio with my nieces is so important.